Everyone has to start somewhere, and it's important to never give up. This rings true for single mom Loretta Walters, who has started a small venture and aims to make a name for herself in the not-too-distant future. Walters has been supporting her family ever since she finished high school. Now her small jewelry-making business is thriving. Lena Reese with tonight's Successful Fijian.
Loretta Walters says she and her two siblings had to take up responsibilities early after the passing of their father.
Quite a young age.
It was at quite a young age when we lost our father, and we used to see my mum. She never stopped, and she was working and had two jobs. She worked at a garment factory and she worked with one of her cousins. She was a personal tailor.
The 37-year-old says after finishing high school, she tried all sorts of hobbies just to generate income.
My interests were in hairdressing, cooking as well, baking. I had quite the variety. So then I went and did further studies at the technical college with baking, cookery, and I got the certificates to be a professional chef. But instead I started to do my baking at home.
Loretta gave birth to a son when she was 24. She says it was a challenging time as she had to raise her child and also care for her mother who fell ill.
I had to quit my job and I started to look after her. So bathed her, fed her, do everything, and then take care of my son as well. So those were the difficulties, but still I used to sit down with my mom and ask her how she went through it after Daddy passed away. She always said, if our heart is clean and our minds are set on our goals, we can do it.
7 years on from having lost her mom, Walters is more determined to grow her business, support her family and inspire other single mothers. Lena Reese, FBC News.